Hello everyone, it is bottling day. Here we are. Here's the Würzburg Mead. Würzburg. Yes. So you can see the bits of resin floating around. They look a little bubbly, a little chonk-donk. They didn't look that airy before. Okay, I'm gonna rack this because it needs to be. So this was started August 28th. It is November 2nd. It's been too long. Yeah, it's been a while. Okie dokie. I was waiting for this to clear, TBH. I wanted it to clear up a bit more than it has, but in the end, who cares? Because it's gonna be carbonated. And I feel like a lot of carbonated things end up being a little cloudy anyway. I mean, whatever, you know? I don't wanna wait longer. This has been sitting for a very long time. I'm like, you just need to get bottled now. Okay, thanks, bye. So that's what I'm gonna do. Whoa. Oh, I got a very resiny, like, pine scent to it. Okay. All right. I need to figure this out here. I'm gonna use regular table sugar as my priming sugar. I used a calculator from Brewer's Friend. Now I kind of guessed because I'm a little bit under 3 gallons. I estimated it for like 2.8 gallons, which I think should be fine. So it said 1.7 ounces of table sugar. So that's what I'm gonna mix in. And then I'm gonna bottle. It's gonna take me a while. Not super excited about this. Well, I don't know. It shouldn't take me too long, I guess, but I am bottling in like 12-ounce bottles. So, how does this taste right now? I'm very curious. You can smell the herbiness, the sage and the hops, and probably a bit of that resin too, honestly. It has kind of a medicinal taste to it. I mean, sage, hops, and resin. And of course it's quite dry. It is interesting though. I think it'll be really nice carbonated. Oh, I should add some erythritol. That's what I should do. Make it just slightly sweet. Oh yeah, and I'd fermented this with oak chips. I don't really pick up much oakiness, to be honest. Okay, well, I'm gonna put in my priming sugar first because that is what I have calculated out right now. I feel like I have a lot happening on my table right now. Ooh, so cramped. Okay, so 1.7 ounces. Okay, I'm gonna dump this in here. Guess I should move these things. Great. Just stay there, will you? Just stay there. Oh my God, what is happening? Can we all cooperate together, please? Can you cooperate? So I read that I had previously used about 3 tablespoons per gallon. This is a half a tablespoon. Here we go. For 3 gallons, 3 times 3 is 9 times 2, so 18. Okay, time to stir this up. Now I need a bajillion bottles. I have sugar like everywhere right now. Well, hopefully I have enough bottles. I have beer bottles, but I don't know what happened. Usually I'm like, or at least I try to be really good about cleaning them. But quite a few have like little blooms of mold in them. I'm just gonna start filling stuff. Oh God. Hi. I'm just gonna kind of do it and hope for the best. know why I decided to make 3 gallons of this. I guess because it didn't require very much, and I had a lot of sage in my backyard. Okay. Wow. I have like a half a bottle here. A lot of bottle everywhere. I got a lot of bottle happening. Okay. I guess I'll save these for like when people come over. Yeah, I don't know. I can't see myself drinking a whole one of these. Which is why I don't use the 750 milliliters, because it's like just me.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to the camera, baby! All right, well, these need to sit, I think, about a week or 2. I think it's 2 weeks for it to carb up. And then I'll stick it in the fridge and I'll try it. Here's hoping. Thank you so much for watching. So far it has pretty much the flavor that you would expect. Very herbal, but I think it'll be really nice, cool, and carbonated. So we'll see. All right, we'll see you for the tasting. Bye.